Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're upgrading the exhaust system on this 991 GT3 RS Gen 1. So we're going to be upgrading it with a Milltek center silencer delete. So we're leaving the arch silencers with the valve control intact and the factory headers, as well as installing some larger exhaust tips as well. So we're going to bring the car into the workshop. We've got the parts laid out and we're going to walk you through them. Okay, so we've got the GT3 RS on the ramps behind us and we've removed the original parts. So here you've got the original center muffler and then you've got the original tips here. And we're going to be replacing the center muffler with the muffler bypass here. So basically completely removes one of the silencers from the exhaust system. You still maintain the arch silencers with the exhaust valves in it. And we're also upgrading the exhaust tips as well. So obviously the removal of one of the silencers makes a big difference, but then also the tips as well make a big difference, because as you'll see in some of the other clips that we have here, there's quite a big restriction in here in the standard exhaust tips. So if you want to have like the maximum sound, you need to upgrade the exhaust tips as well, and they have the added benefit of looking a lot cooler as well. Yeah, so we're going to get this all fitted, get the car on the dyno as well, and show you the before and afters of the standard exhaust system in comparison to the muffler bypass. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.